Here at Northern Kentucky Cedar, we take pride in having products that make people want to show off to friends and family and always encourage our customers to share their installs with us, so we've put together a showcase of some of the designs and reviews our customers have created. Thank you to everyone who shared pictures with us. David says his wife loves their new closet and how it's DIY friendly with a great look. Sally is ecstatic with her new closet organizer that she and her husband assembled. She says she shows her closet off to everybody that visits and encourages others to get their own. We really appreciate the enthusiasm for our organizers. Molly loves how customizable, lightweight, and aromatic her system is and has added more to her closet after installing it. We love the before and after pictures. Anthony loves how customizable our organizers are and the great amount of space they allow for. Frederick loves the natural smell and that he is supporting small businesses. We are a small business out of Kentucky and are proud to say we source all of our lumber locally and manufacture all our products in the USA. Joellen replaced all the wire shelving in her master closet with our closet organizers and thinks it looks fantastic with her log home. Julie thinks they are the best closet systems ever. Becky was thrilled with the customer service and design help she received. We try our best to always have someone available 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and would love to help you design your own closet to get the most for your needs, whether that be extra hanging or more shelving. Mary says her closet system is beautiful and was easy to customize and install. A 6-foot wall kit takes just an hour or two to fully install. Eric loves his new organizers, saying they are easy to install, great quality, and smell incredible. Kevin was delighted to renovate his walk-in closets and loves the beautiful solid cedar's unique scent. All our products are solid wood, so they are built to last as long as possible. Again, thank you to everyone who shared their pictures with us. We love when customers share their thoughts on our products so we can continue to improve and grow. If you wish to design your own closet system, you can find our website at northernkycedar.com or reach us on email at sales@northernkycedar.com or call us at 606-742-2745. We are open Monday through Friday 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for watching.